Hey guys, so we made it here. A lot of cars are rolling up. This is gonna be great. The day is beautiful, it's chilly. Check out some of the cars that are rolling in. This place is getting packed so quick. Look at all that. Look at that. See. Boys are here. Everybody's here. Tons of Subis. This is the big event, baby. This is what I'm talking about.
From the east side of America, where we choose pride over character, and we can pick sides, but this is us, this is us, this is. I live on the west side of America, where they spin lies into fairy dust, and we can pick sides, but this is us, this is us, this is. And don't believe the narcissism, when everyone projects and expects you to listen to them. Make no mistake, I live in a prison that I built myself, it is my religion. And they say that I am the sick boy, easy to say when you don't take the risk, boy. Welcome to the narcissism. We're united under our indifference. We're united under our indifference. Under our indifference. From the east side of America, where we choose pride over character, and we can pick sides, but this is us, this is us, this is. I live on the west side of America, where they spin lies into fairy dust, and we can pick sides, but this is us, this is us, this is. And don't believe the narcissism, when everyone projects and expects you to listen to them. Make no mistake, I live in a prison that I built myself, it is my religion. And they say that I am the sick boy, easy to say when you don't take the risk, boy. Welcome to the narcissism. We're united under our indifference. Feed yourself with my life's work. How many likes is my life worth? Feed yourself with my life's work. How many likes is my life worth? Feed yourself with my life's work. How many likes is my life worth? Feed yourself with my life's work. How many likes is my life worth?
This is us, this is us, this is us, this is.
Under our indifference. We're united under our indifference.
Yo, he said it's hit and run. Let's catch that guy. Yeah. All right. Now for the moment you guys been waiting for. Here we go, my car is inside the showroom. Here's the big surprise. New WRC headlights. This thing is sick inside the showroom, yo. Hey, excuse me. Excuse me.
sorry.
Yeah, don't do that. Stickers might come off. Yeah, thank you. So now the inside, we got the STI flags and roll bar matching. We painted the interior, you remember that? And here's the inside, the helmet, the harness, everything. So this is the surprise that I have for everybody. Complete engine makeover. It's good in here. Looks like a real rally car winner up on the stage. It's awesome, guys. I'm so proud of how it turned out. Finally got the lights.
Congratulations, Mo. Thank you very much. Congratulations on that. That's $100. $100 Amazon gift card. We're going to give away another $100 Amazon gift card. I do need a Roomba. That would help.
By the U.S. government. Weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder.
All right, boys.
I'm gonna see you on YouTube.
Yeah, put it up there.
¿Dónde me dice? ¿Dónde me dice?
Acá ando.
The founding fathers.
Okay guys, comment on the section below if you guys want me to build this car next. This, I would like to have this in my garage too.
Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. Blessed be our new founding fathers. May God be with you all.
We got some more cars on this side of the parking lot. So the event is all over there. But so many stores came. It's all around the dealer, and over here on this side too.
Put your hands in the air. How you feeling out there? We gon' party over here. You got to sing it. Let me hear you say la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Alright guys, this is gonna finish up this video. I'm gonna show some of the cars that won, and these are all our cars, and they're pretty cool cars that we got here.